Hello everyone, thank you for checking out today's video. Today I'll be showing you how to create a interactive Google Slides presentation. The first step is if you would like to create a new presentation, you can just do slides.new and it will bring you right up here to do this. And we can just name it practice drag and drop activity once it loads. Alright, so the first step that we would like to do is delete the title box, and the subtitle we can do Control-A and delete. Then we can go to Insert, Shape, and for a background, you can use something like the wave in order to create a background. You don't have to worry about making it perfect for now. And then we can change our background color by going to background, and let's just make it blue. And then we can fill in these as well if we need to. Then, for example, if you would like to make fun activity with your students, maybe where they count fish or count something, you could add whatever you would like in here. But once we're done with the background, we want to make sure that we make a copy of it. So we can just add let's just say want to insert a fish. And insert our fish here. Apologize, just being very slow. But we can insert anything. Let's see if something else will insert. See if our fish will insert. So we can just have one fish. And they both deleted, but that's alright. Image and fish. We can click one and insert one, and should be in here. Now, once you're happy with your background, then we want to file. We want to make a copy of the entire presentation. We can upload it to our Google Drive. And we would like to download it as a PNG image, so then it can be used as a background image. Once we have that right here, and then our next step will be to go to our slide, and that is basically how you create an interactive Google Slides presentation. I hope it was very helpful, and I hope you all have a